Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of this stunning 2014 Audi A1 S Line. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol turbo engine and the DSG automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 120 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 53 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 16 and the car's covered just over 26,000 miles and comes with good service history. This amazing colour is called the Misano Red, and as you can see, looks in really good condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, the first owner chose over £3,000 worth of factory options, which includes the rear parking sensors, cruise control, heated front seats and the panoramic roof. But as you can see, the interior is in great condition. You have the S Line sports seats there, which are half leather, and you have that nice logo in the centre there. Onto the dashboard, you've got your satellite navigation system with FM radio and Bluetooth for your phone, and also the car comes with air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, which was another factory option, and then on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. In the 5-wheel version, for a small hatchback, it's surprising how much room there is in the back. So the rear bench has 2 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got the original Audi carpet floor mats as well. And as we open the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. And then underneath the boot floor, you have your tyre inflator kit and your first aid kit, still originally from Audi. Externally, the car comes with the daytime running lights, the 18-inch alloy wheels, the glass roof that I've already mentioned, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we offer finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.